Hello everyone, Namaskar. My name is Tarun and I run a company called Virtual Pebbles in the state of Gujarat. And today I am here speak to a gentleman who is icon in the state of Gujarat. He is managing Indus University in Gujarat. He is the associate president for Indus University and his name is Dr. Bhandari. He is right here with me.
Hello.
And Indus University, just to give you a little background, Indus University has been our customer since last 1.5 years. And the university, as I see it, and the way the university, as I see, has grown since 2012, being engineering, college and institute from 2006 onwards, and 2012 initiation towards an university initiative. This university has grown substantially in terms of the educational initiatives and lots of solid, very qualitative students who have passed out from this university from different parts of the country. We have been associated last 1.5 years with Indus University, and we have been taking a lot of initiatives for Indus University. And today, I am here with Dr. Bhandari. He's a spine surgeon as a profession, and he holds a lot of respect for the profession that now today he is serving, and that's education. So thank you so much to have this small chat with us. I really appreciate that आपने time निकाला, which is very difficult for you to find. I know it very well. And हमारी services पिछले 1.5-2 साल से 1.5-2 years we've been giving to you, and I wanted to take this opportunity to speak to you and ask you about what all services we have given, and a little feedback and advice and guidance on how we should continue further. This is not a scripted interview. We have not scripted any question and answer here. So it's going to be a very candid conversation. And my very first question to start with would be that all the initiatives that we have taken till now for the university, for the content, for marketing initiatives, and for lead generation in terms of getting the student connected with the university and the right course, हमारा काम पिछले 1-1.5 साल से आपको कैसा लगा? आपका उसमें feedback क्या है?
So I welcome you, Mr. Tarun.
Thank you, sir.
And it's a pleasure for us to work together. And Tarun is with us since last 1.5 years. Before that, I was not very much familiar with the digital marketing thing, because we are relying more on print media, etc.
Outdoor marketing. And
Yeah.
G.
But after Mr. Tarun came and he told us various aspects of the digital marketing, how it has to be done.
G.
And then we gave it to you
G.
to carry on digital marketing.
G.
So in 2 years before, we had say X number of students. Then when we interacted with you before last year,
G.
so probably there was 20-30% increase in the students number.
You're talking about after since last March के बाद.
Yeah.
G.
Okay. And then I thought digital marketing is a good platform for publicizing your
Correct.
institute.
Correct.
So I thought why not to go for it, because print media and these other medias are more expensive,
G.
and it has got short reach to
Limited
Yeah,
scope भी रहता है.
scope.
Right. Yeah.
because once in print media your ad is printed,
G.
but if somebody doesn't see on that day, then it is gone.
Goes away. Yeah.
But in
Goes-
digital media, you can bombard the students or
Yeah.
clients
Yeah.
throughout the day,
Yeah.
and you can continue it throughout the year,
Correct.
and it is very cost effective. So I thought we should continue this.
G.
And again, for last year,
G.
we continued this digital media, and we have got extraordinary
G. Digital platforms
response
जो
from
responses
yeah.
और results जो आए हैं, correct.
Because digital media can reach to anybody
Yeah.
in any part of the world.
Yeah.
So even before last year, we had just a few students from 2-3 states.
G.
But this year we got from about 7-8 states.
G.
So gradually this through digital media we are
जी जी
able to approach to any part of the country and world.
जी
So this has given us very good response, and that's why I'm very much impressed with digital media, because it can carry you anywhere in the world.
correct
And Tarun,
Ji.
you have really given us very good overview of the digital media, and you are very frank. You tell us negative aspects, positive things of anything, and sometimes you are blunt too. But
Yes.
I appreciate that.
That is true. I
Because you are
I do
very
that.
punctual
Yeah.
as far as the schedules are concerned.
जी जी
So that has also kept us on our toes
जी
to give you things
जी
on the right time.
Actually, you are also understanding कि
Yeah.
किस तरह से क्या चीज़ें होती हैं. So for everyone who's listening to this conversation, uh, we started 1.5 year back, and it turned into a lockdown situation where the digital content was being seen a lot, and we as a company took that as a as a chance, as an opportunity to make sure that it happens more for our customer, and that is Indus University. Students were at home, parents were at home, working from home, and there were a lot of decisions in those days, last March, April, May, June, where the admissions were all stuck and everybody was thinking about their futures and so on and so forth, that everybody knows. So that situation, we kind of went near to the families and the students, and we tried our best to convert that whole thing into admissions and the student getting the right course, which was the most important thing, because only phone communications were happening, no physical communication was happening, no walk-ins were happening, nothing was happening. So we started our journey from there, and as Dr. Bhandari says, uh, I try to keep things very transparent, and thank you for that, for recognizing that we are always making sure that we do not create a misexpectation level where we know as a vendor कि हम आगे जाके deliver नहीं कर पाएंगे, और हम कोई चीज़ आपको commit कर दें वो नहीं हो. So हमारी पूरी कोशिश यही रही है हमेशा से, and I think हम उसमें कहीं ना कहीं successful रहे हैं, and आगे भी रहना चाहेंगे. Thank you very much for that. Coming to my second question, which is very important for me as myself, my ways of working, and my team. So मेरी जो team है वो मेरी that's the backbone. You're a spine surgeon.
Yeah.
So that's the backbone of my company,
Yeah.
and the way I deal with them and the way I make them deal with my customers and Indus University, it's a very planned and a process method, but still we always ask our customer that if there is any feedback that you would like to give us for the ways we work, or for the communication we do, or for the content we do, or anything, any kind of feedback, I would like to hear from you.
Yeah, means आपने एकदम सही कहा कि means your colleagues are your backbone of your company, because I understand spine very well, so I
Yes.
know the importance of spine in our
Yes.
body.
Yes.
So you have always given us the platform, and also told us about the whole planning of
Ji.
your
We give out a planner.
yeah,
Ji.
planner. I think because you talk so much about the digital platform,
Ji.
many times it is beyond my comprehension, but through you I know whatever you are telling, it is truth
Yeah.
and nothing else.
Ji.
So I believe
Ji.
on
Ji.
your words, and I always go by your advice. This is my
Thank you.
feeling.
Yeah. So हम ये so digital platform पे काम करना, वहाँ marketing करना एक aspect है किसी भी business को promote करने के लिए. उस पूरे promotional activity के अंदर content की ज़रूरत होती है. तो वो content हम जो develop करते हैं, design करते हैं, creatively develop करते हैं, वो content को हमें customer को बताना होता है कि look, ये content आज बनता है, कल ये आपको हम दिखाते हैं, आपसे डिस्कस करते हैं, और ये कंटेंट को हम आपके प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे रिलीज़ करते हैं क्योंकि हम आपकी कंपनी को प्रमोट करना चाहते हैं. तो वो हम एक ऐसे प्रोसेस में करते हैं जो डिजिटल कंपनीज उस चीज़ को कंटेंट प्लानिंग बोलती है, कैंपेन प्लानिंग्स बोलती है, और इनबाउंड बिजनेस जनरेट करने के लिए जो कैंपेन्स होते हैं उसको प्लानिंग में डाला जाता है. और ये तरीके से हम इसलिए काम करते हैं बिकॉज देर आर नॉट मेनी कंपनीज अराउंड अस इन अराउंड आवर स्टेट हु डू दिस काइंड ऑफ वर्क इन अ प्रोसेस्ड वे. ये हम इसलिए करते हैं ताकि कस्टमर कंफर्टेबल रहे और कस्टमर को पता रहे कि उनको कब क्या चीज़ मिलने वाली है और कैसे मिलने वाली है.
देखिए मीन्स जैसे आपने बोला इंटरेक्शन बिटवीन द वेंडर एंड क्लाइंट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि क्या है जब तक डिस्कशन नहीं होगा, क्योंकि क्या है कई बार क्लाइंट को क्या चाहिए दिमाग में दैट हैज़ टू बी रेड बाय द वेंडर.
करेक्ट.
So vendor is able to execute what is inside the mind of client,
यस.
but that does not mean कि client is very intelligent to tell everything.
जी.
So vendor is the means like Tarun is the person who takes out everything from your
Yeah. I have
thinking.
been trying
Yeah.
to. Yeah. That's
Because
true.
जब तक इंटरेक्शन नहीं होगा वो चीज़ें बाहर नहीं आएंगी और आपको क्या चाहिए. But at the same time he also tells कि what is desired by the student community,
Yeah.
what they want in a institute, in a university, what
Yes.
kind of atmosphere they want.
Yes.
So accordingly he plans the whole strategy
Yeah.
कि किस प्रकार से ऐड आपका जाना चाहिए, क्या कंटेंट जाना चाहिए जिससे कि वो स्टूडेंट्स को अट्रैक्ट कर सकें, उनके पेरेंट्स को अट्रैक्ट कर सकें.
जी.
फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे कोविड के समय पेरेंट्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स वे आर नॉट एबल टू कम टू द यूनिवर्सिटी कैंपस.
University campus. Yeah.
अब आपके सामने सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम थी, उनको आप कैसे बताएं कि मैं आपके पास क्या है.
Hmm.
So Tarun and his team, they put everything so nicely in front of the family and the student ki they could, without coming physically to the campus, they decided to take admission here,
Hmm.
and that has given us
Yeah.
extremely good results.
Correct. You're right. Actually, last year, when I'm remembering last year, those times we took an initiative and very securely, with all masks on and everything, we came and recorded a lot of professors here,
Yeah.
head of the departments, so that वो जो content था वो content generally video content, इस type का video content student university में आके खुद ही प्रोफेसर से इंटरेक्ट करता है, काउंसलर से बात करता है, हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट से मिलता है, डिपार्टमेंट को जाके देखता है, बट वो नहीं हो रहा था. तो हमने वही चीज़ को वीडियो कंटेंट में रिकॉर्ड करके, एडिटिंग करके बहुत ही ट्रांसपेरेंट तरीके से रिलीज़ किया था. एंड दैट वर्कड फॉर आवर यूनिवर्सिटी बिग टाइम. एंड
आई होप कि इस बार मतलब नेक्स्ट
Yeah.
टर्म के लिए जो हम प्लान कर रहे
जी.
हैं डिजिटल मार्केटिंग,
जी.
हम लोगों को भी समझ में आ गया कि मीन्स व्हाट इज डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, हाउ
जी.
इट इज टू बी
जी.
टेकन.
जी.
So this year we expect
Absolutely,
more
absolutely.
input from you,
जी,
your side.
बिल्कुल एक्साइटमेंट से ये काम कर रहे हैं. हम लोग के लिए कोई भी कस्टमर इंक्लूडिंग योर यूनिवर्सिटी इज नॉट अ, फॉर अस वी रियली वर्क विद आवर हार्ट. एंड जो ये रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं कैमरा में, वो सब ये जानते हैं दैट हम लोग का जो काम है वो कस्टमर के साथ सिर्फ कहने के लिए नहीं है. इट इज़ लाइक वी रियली पुट इन अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट एंड इट इज़ सीन इन आवर वर्क. वो दिखता है हमारे काम में.
मैं देखिए मैं तो 2 बार देख चुका हूँ
जी.
कि आपने क्या करा है.
जी. जी.
So I am very much impressed,
थैंक यू सो मच.
and I would like to continue our association for a very long time,
Absolutely.
as long as it gives us
Results.
results.
Yeah, absolutely. At the end of the day, business has to happen, and
Yeah,
right
that's
business has to happen. That's important. Thank you. Last question.
Pleasure.
And last point is your plans as a customer for me are very important. आपका जो vision है अगले 1 साल में, 2 साल में, 3 और 4 और 5 में, as a vendor, मेरे लिए वो चीज़ समझना और उस चीज़ को अपने थॉट्स में रखना और अपनी टीम से डिस्कस करना बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, सो दैट आई कैन प्लान राइट रिजल्ट्स एंड गेट यू द राइट आउटपुट. यू नो, आउटपुट एंड रिजल्ट्स, आउटपुट एंड राइट आउटपुट से मेरा कहने का मतलब है द क्वालिटेटिव आउटपुट. आउटपुट तो काफ़ी तरीके से आता है, बट क्वालिटेटिव आउटपुट आना चाहिए. उसके लिए मुझे ये जानना है कि आपके प्लान्स, योर विजन फॉर द नियर फ्यूचर 12-24 मंथ्स डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे और डिजिटल इनिशिएटिव्स जितना आप समझते हैं क्या है. आई वांट टू हियर फ्रॉम यू.
देखिए मीन्स आई एम नॉट एन एक्सपर्ट फॉर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग फील्ड,
जी.
but what I'll say कि we want to expand our different faculties in the coming years, and they are means like we'll go for law, pharmacy, nursing
Right.
school.
Right.
So I will prefer that you also concentrate on this
Okay.
new
Okay.
fields which we are going to start in coming years.
Right.
So I'll
Okay.
I
Okay.
prefer कि you also
Do the necessary
Yeah,
required pre-research and all
Yeah,
everything.
research and,
Right. Right. Okay.
preparation for it.
G.
And you have to
So
create
that's-
something
right.
extraordinary so
Right.
people are attracted towards this side.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. That's great. I'll keep that in mind and I'll discuss it internally with the team also.
Sure.
Thank you very much for this short chat.
It's a
And,
pleasure talking to you.
Really, thank you so
And
much.
I wish good luck for growth of your company.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
And
Thank you.
let
Really
us hope everything works out very well.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
It will.
Bye.
Thank you. Namaskar.
Namaste.